Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping back into the mid-1970s to explore one of Cadillac's most stylish and innovative luxury sedans, the 1975 Cadillac Seville. This was Cadillac's first attempt at a smaller, more European-inspired luxury sedan, designed to compete with European imports while retaining the signature American luxury flair. Our model today is finished in a beautiful ruidoso brown color, giving it a sophisticated, timeless look. From the exterior styling and interior comfort to performance and historical significance, the 1975 Seville is a true classic. Let's dive in and explore everything that makes this car a standout from Cadillac's storied history. Exterior. The 1975 Cadillac Seville marked a major design shift for the brand, introducing a more compact, angular look compared to Cadillac's traditionally massive sedans. The ruidoso brown color enhances the car's elegance, giving it a warm, classic, and refined appearance that has aged beautifully over the decades. At the front, the Seville features a bold grille with vertical slats, flanked by quad rectangular headlights. The chrome bumper and subtle hood ornament give the car a distinct Cadillac identity without being overwhelming. From the side, the car has clean lines with a slightly squared-off profile, reflecting the European influence in its design. The chrome trim along the beltline and around the windows adds a touch of sophistication. Classic steel wheels with polished hubcaps complete the look. The rear is equally striking, with vertical taillights integrated into the corners and a chrome-trimmed bumper. The ruidoso brown paint highlights the car's subtle curves and proportions, giving it a dignified and elegant stance on the road. Interior. Step inside the 1975 Seville, and you immediately notice Cadillac's commitment to luxury. The cabin is comfortable, well-appointed, and carefully crafted for a premium experience. The seats are upholstered in matching brown leather or plush velour, offering a comfortable and supportive ride. The dashboard features a combination of wood grain accents, analog gauges, and chrome detailing, giving it a warm, classic aesthetic. The steering wheel is large and commanding, typical of 1970s luxury cars, while the layout of controls is intuitive and driver-focused. The center console houses the climate controls, radio, and optional features such as an automatic level control, power windows, and a premium sound system. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and a smooth ride, making the Seville ideal for long cruises in comfort and style. The overall interior experience is one of understated luxury, perfectly complementing the car's elegant exterior. Performance. The 1975 Cadillac Seville was powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 180 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. While not a sports car by modern standards, it delivered smooth and effortless acceleration suitable for a luxury sedan of its size. The Seville featured front-wheel drive-inspired suspension tuning, which provided a softer, comfortable ride while still maintaining good handling for its era. Power steering and power brakes added to the relaxed driving experience, making it easy to maneuver in city streets or on the highway. Fuel efficiency wasn't a priority in the mid-70s, but the Seville made up for it with refinement, smoothness, and the unmistakable presence of a Cadillac V8. Its performance is all about comfort, ease, and quiet confidence rather than outright speed. Driving the 1975 Seville is like stepping back in time. The car glides over the road, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease thanks to its soft suspension. The steering is light, making city driving effortless, while the large wheelbase and smooth suspension create a serene ride at highway speeds. The V8 engine provides sufficient power for cruising, and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly for a relaxed, low-stress driving experience. You feel like you're commanding a piece of automotive history, with every detail reminding you of Cadillac's dedication to comfort and elegance. This is a car that invites calm, confident driving. It's not about rapid acceleration or sporty cornering, it's about enjoying a luxurious journey in style. Owning a 1975 Cadillac Seville today is a labor of love. Like all classic cars, it requires careful maintenance, including regular checks of the engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, and electrical systems. Parts are generally available through vintage Cadillac suppliers, though some components may require restoration or refurbishment. Routine detailing and care for the ruidoso brown paint, chrome trim, and interior materials will keep the Seville looking pristine. Owning a Seville is as much about enjoying its history and style as it is about daily driving. It's a classic that's perfect for car shows, weekend drives, and appreciating the golden era of American luxury. Price and collectability. The 1975 Cadillac Seville is a desirable collector car, especially in original condition with rare color combinations like ruidoso brown. Prices vary depending on condition, mileage, and originality, typically ranging from $12,000 for well-maintained drivers to $30,000 plus for fully restored examples. Its historical significance as Cadillac's first mid-sized luxury sedan, combined with its distinctive styling, makes it a valuable addition to any classic car collection. For enthusiasts, the Seville represents a unique era when Cadillac experimented with European-inspired designs without compromising American luxury. To wrap things up, the 1975 Cadillac Seville in ruidoso brown is a timeless classic that combines elegant styling, luxurious interiors, and smooth performance. It's a car that tells the story of Cadillac's innovation in the 1970s, offering both historical significance and everyday driving charm. Whether you're a collector, a vintage car enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates classic American luxury, the Seville is a perfect choice. Its ruidoso brown finish and refined interior make it a standout, even decades after its debut. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1975 Cadillac Seville, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another classic car review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.